Hello everyone, I'm Alan. Today I will bring you an unboxing and display of the AM30 Power System and its installation tutorial. Okay, let's open the package and take a look at the inside. After opening it, you can see AM30 sticker. There is also a carbon fiber propeller and 16 AES-C and an AM30 motor. There are also 2 packs of this accessory and a small wrench. Below is its certificate and desiccant. Okay, that's all the stuff in the package. Next, let's introduce the propeller, motor, and ESC. First, our AM30 motor has 3 kV values to choose from: 1450, 1750, 2280. The weight of the entire motor is only 19 grams. It supports a voltage input of 2 to 3S and is suitable for our 8 to 9 inch 3D and 4D propeller. This motor is suitable for F3P indoor competition aircraft with a total weight of 80 grams to 180 grams. It is very suitable for F3P aero musical flight, and its installation specification also support a dual-purpose propeller adapter design. Without changing the propeller adapter, you can easily achieve 3D and 4D flight. The way to install the propeller blades is also very simple. You only need to fix the propeller blade with the rubber band to complete the installation. This quick release design will make it more convenient and quick when we change propeller. Now let's unpack this package and show you the accessories inside. After unpacking the 2 packages of motor accessories, we can see that it has multiple installation specification. This propeller adapter. First, let's look at this type. This is the type we just mentioned. 2-sided propeller adapter. It has 2 propeller blade installation specification, the thin one above and the thick one below. It only needs to be fixed with this type of machine screw or this type of cross screw. That's it. There is also this 5mm thick shaft. This propeller adapter installation, it is very simple. Just put it on, then use this machine screw or other empty screws to fix it. Then we lock the flange nut. Then the installation is complete. In addition, let's take a look at the appearance design of this motor. You can see that its exterior rotor still uses the AM series family. The large area of hollowing, 5-pointed star design, also breaks the traditional high input ratio design. Its upper cover ribs are hollowed out in a large area, which can make its heat dissipation area larger. No need to worry about the motor overheating during violent flight, affecting its flight performance. Also in this set, we include this FS8 for our propeller. This propeller, it is suitable for 3D 4D flight. The total weight of this propeller, the whole propeller weighs only 1.3 grams. It is very light. Its material, it uses this carbon fiber material. It is very light. Symmetrical propeller can easily achieve seamless switching between 3D and 4D. This is an AM30 AES-C. It supports R/S input. It also supports 3D and 4D mode switching. You only need to go through the middle. There is a small button here. After it is powered on, press and hold for 10 seconds to switch. With 16 AES-C and our 8040 propeller, it can easily achieve instant burst, a pulling force of 643 grams. Let us do stunts, more comfortable, and this combine is also the best power system. We matched after bench testing and actual flight performance. Next, we will install the propeller adapter for this model. Let's first demonstrate one installation method of this double-sided propeller seat. Let's first find the 2 small notches on the motor shaft, corresponding to our double-sided propeller adapter. The screw holes on both sides. We can first put this black cross screw. First screw it in a little bit. Don't screw it too much, just fix it a little bit. Okay. Now, we'll aim at the notch and install the propeller adapter. Then we'll tighten the cross screw gradually. Then put on our propeller. The 2 black screws must be exposed. Choose the appropriate O-ring and put it on. Okay, the propeller has been installed. Is it simple? Then we install our ESC. You can see 3 rubber wires for the ESC, and our motor has 3 rubber wires. The rubber wires are also connected to this end of the ESC. We can plug them in at random. After 1, 2, one matching. Then we check its direction. If the direction is reverse, we only need to unplug any two wires to make an adjustment so the motor can rotate in a different direction. But you need to pay attention when installing. That is, when we install this motor wire, we need to pay attention to the three motor wires. They are relatively fragile. Don't bend it too much, otherwise, it will easily cause the motor line to break. We can see two plugs at the other end. One of these plugs is a JST plug. This is used to power our ESC for battery insertion. The other is this DuPont line. This is plugged into our receiver. It is connected to the signal port 3. Then we need to pay attention to the line sequence. You can see that the brown line is the negative electrode. The red line is the positive electrode. The yellow line is the signal line. You need to plug it in according to the wiring definition on your receiver. If your ESC and motor are already installed, then we fix the motor. You can see that the accessory package includes these four motor bases. A fixing screw. You just need to screw the self-tapping screw into the motor base and then screw it in according to the aircraft. It's very simple. Then, what's next? Let's demonstrate the installation method of the propeller adapter with a 5mm shaft. You can see that it is also very simple to replace. Just loosen a few screws slightly. Then we install this 5mm shaft. We need this propeller adapter and these two small screws. Then how we install it? It's almost the same as this double-sided propeller adapter. Similarly, find the two small notches on the motor shaft. Then match the two screw holes on the propeller adapter. Then screw in the screw. Machine screws. We use this M1 5 screwdriver to install it. Similarly, we can first screw the machine screw into the propeller seat slightly in advance to facilitate installation. But be careful not to screw it too deep, otherwise, it will cause your propeller adapter. It is easy to not fit in. It is better to fix it slightly. Align the hole. Screw it in. This machine screw must be screwed in completely. The propeller adapter is installed properly. Since my propeller is not suitable for this propeller adapter, we will directly install this nut. We only need to install the propeller with the corresponding hole of M5 into this propeller adapter. Then, use the small wrench that comes with our package. Tighten it. Make sure or not, there is no gap between the propeller blade and the propeller adapter. It means that we have installed it in place. Okay, this is the motor, a method for installing the ESC and propeller blades. I wonder if you have learned it. If you are interested in this power system, you can also consult us on our T-Motor Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Okay, so much for this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.